Ninth Science, Unit 18, Organization of Tissues. We have already learned about meristematic tissues and permanent tissues like parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma in the previous two videos. In this part, we are going to learn about complex tissue. In the complex tissue, we will learn about xylem. What are complex tissues? When a tissue is made up of more than one type of cells, that is called as complex tissue. Complex tissues are made of more than one type of cells. Xylem and phloem are the common examples of complex tissues. Xylem and phloem are complex tissues because they are made up of more than one types of cells. Let us learn xylem in this part. Xylem is a complex tissue because it is composed of four kinds of elements. They are xylem tracheids, xylem fibers, xylem vessels, and xylem parenchyma. What are the four elements of xylem tissue? Xylem tracheids, xylem fibers, xylem vessels, and xylem parenchyma. What are tracheids? Tracheids are elongated cells. What is meant by elongation? Elongation means long. Tracheids are elongated and tube-like dead cells. They are dead cells because they have thick secondary wall. There is no living matter inside the cell. The cell wall is very thick. The cell wall is made up of lignin. Tracheids are elongated cells and are dead cells. Their function is conduction of water and providing mechanical support to the plant. The tracheids transport water and give mechanical support. What is the meaning of mechanical support? The tracheids have thick walls. They give strength and support to the plants. The second type of xylem elements are xylem vessels. Vessels are tube-like structures. Each vessel cell is like a tube. The vessels are arranged one above another and form a pipeline-like structure. Vessels are long cells, cylindrical cells. They are long, cylindrical, tube-like structures. The vessels are tube-like structures. They have opening at the end. Vessels have opening at the end. The vessels are arranged one above another and form a pipeline-like structure. The vessels are dead cells because they also have thick wall. Inside the vessels there is no living matter. Vessels also transport water and provide mechanical strength. In vessels, the transportation of water is faster because they are tube-like cells. Xylem parenchyma is the only living component of xylem. All the other three are dead cells. Xylem parenchyma is the living cell inside the xylem. It has thin wall. They are living and thin-walled cells. This is a diagram of xylem parenchyma. The cell wall is thin inside the cytoplasm. A large cytoplasm is present. It is the only living cell inside xylem. Its function is to store starch and fatty substances. The main function of xylem parenchyma is to store starch and fatty substances. Xylem fibers are long cells. Already we have learned about sclerenchyma fibers. When the sclerenchyma fibers are inside the xylem, they are called as xylem fibers. These cells are elongated and pointed at both the ends. Xylem fibers are long cells and pointed at both the ends. Both the ends are sharp. They are dead cells because they have highly thickened wall. Inside there is no living matter. Xylem fibers provide mechanical support to the plant. Because of the thick wall, the xylem fibers give mechanical support to the plant. In the next video, we will learn about phloem tissues.